Hi, I've been asked to give a tour of the Nespresso Zenius machine. So that's Zenius with a Z rather than Genius. So starting from the back, just show you how the machine, various controls, how the machine operates. At the back, top it up with water. So you can lift that and just pour it direct, or you can take the thing off and carry it to the tap and fill it up in that way. Lift that lever up is where the pods go into the waste, which is in here, and the pods are, there's a whole load of pods that I bought. The pods look like this. You put the pods into there, slot them in, and then push that down and it perforates the pods. Turn it on and it takes less time than it used to take me to boil a kettle. So I quite like that. I don't like faffing about with coffee machines, although some people do, and the quality of the coffee is a lot better. So you will see how quickly when I turned it on, those lights that were flashing have now gone constant, so that means the machine is ready. So you've got a choice of three mugs to use. You've got the bigger mug, middling and espresso size. I usually have middling and a bit extra there. I also like the supports for the mugs. So I've got the smaller espresso mug goes on the top. You want to use a mug like this, which I've just filled, then stick it on there and away you go. Press that and away you go. Okay, it's easy to turn off. And there is a debate, some people wish to get into that, whether these machines are good for the planet. How do you get rid of these? You can recycle them, you can send them away. Some machines, other machines, the argument is that some use more electricity anyway to heat your coffee up, like boiling a kettle, or like the typical drip fed type coffee machine, which is a lot of faff. And also the amount of coffee that you use is quite sorted with this amount of coffee being in there. The argument is if you use the other type of coffee machine, you use a lot more coffee, so you use more energy in growing it and so on. Some people want to get into that argument. Some people say, is it convenient and does it taste nice? For me, it is convenient and it tastes nice. And right in the centre of the shop there, you can see an extra which I bought, which is a milk frother. If you want to do that separately, it sort of goes with that. Some people have it, some people don't. Really nice if you want really frothy coffee. So this is the coffee that I've got out of that, so you can either add milk or whatever. So this particular machine I bought about a month ago, and there was an offer, and the offer was that if you bought the pods, there's different types of pods here, decaffeinated, vanilla, caramel, and then different types of just coffee itself with different strengths, which you can see the numbers here, 7, 6, 5, depending whether you want a stronger one or not. So the deal was that if you bought £300 worth of these pods that are in here, and there's enough in the pods for £300, there's enough, as you would imagine, to last you for a year and a half. That's two people a year and a half, I worked out. So if you do that, if you buy loads of pods, then you get this machine, the Zenius, you get that free, which normally retails at about £300. So I thought that was a good deal, because whatever you bought, you're going to have to buy the pods anyway. So that's it in a nutshell. Quick, easy to use, and choice of coffees, and they taste pretty good.